You know that feeling when you take the perfect photo, but then you zoom in and it's completely blurry. It's the worst. It usually means a great memory is headed for the trash. But today, I'm going to show you how to fix blurry images with AI, so you never have to delete a shot again. Look at this. We aren't just sharpening edges, we are upscaling this image to 4K or even 8K, while recovering realistic textures in skin and hair that weren't even there before. I've tested a lot of tools, and this is the most effective way to remove noise and blur instantly. The tool that actually makes this possible is AIArty Image Enhancer. It's basically a pro-level fix that anyone can use without needing any crazy editing skills. And they offer a free trial so you can see the results for yourself. Once you open the software, you'll see the interface is incredibly clean. To get started, you can play around with these sample images at the bottom to see the magic happen instantly, or just hit this plus button to bring in your own photo. In the center, you get a real-time side-by-side preview. This is huge because you can see exactly how much detail you're recovering before you even export the file. Now look at the right side. This is where the heavy lifting happens. First, select your hardware here, and then we have our AI models. Don't get overwhelmed by the names, here is a quick guide to help you choose the right one. More Detail Gan is your go-to for impossible fixes. It's best for skin, hair and textures. It doesn't just sharpen, it actually reconstructs details that were lost. AIGC is for AI-generated art that looks a bit pixelated or crunchy. It cleans everything up while keeping it natural. Real Photo is perfect for your standard photography when you just want a boost in clarity without changing the soul of the photo. For my photo, since I want to bring back the texture in the beard and hair, I'm going with more Detail Gan. I'm upscaling this 4 times. If you have a very old or low quality photo, try doing it in smaller steps, like 2 times twice to keep it looking realistic. If your image is really compressed, toggle on 2-pass processing. It takes a second longer, but does a much deeper dive in the textures. Use the strength slider to fine-tune how strong the AI enhancement appears. The lower values keep images more natural, while higher values produce sharper, more detailed results. But here is where it gets really interesting. Beyond the upscaling, you got some hidden gems to play with. The Edit tab is perfect for quick crops, and the Color tab is an absolute lifesaver. If you have any shots that look a bit washed out or faded, you can fix the colors and lighting here in seconds. But this is the real game changer: face restoration. If a face is completely blurry, this tool specifically finds those features and brings them back to life. You also get an AI eraser to remove unwanted objects and an HDR tool to make your colors look incredible. When you're done, you can export your photo instantly. Look at the difference. We went from a low quality blurry image to something sharp and clear. This AI image enhancer is honestly amazing at recovering details in hair and skin that looked lost. You can fix your blurry photos too by clicking the link in the description for a free trial. Check out their lifetime deal to get all future updates and gifts and bring your favorite memories back to life.